Hi everyone, so today I'm just going to be loading some film into the Spectra 2 camera. So this camera is one of the 90s model cameras. I'm not sure exactly what year this one is, but I'll just show you it. Let's get the yellow button. There's the back there. This one I bought off eBay and it is kind of deteriorating a bit on the rubber, but I just don't think there's anything I can do about that. Okay, so first of all, to get the film cartridge slot open, you just need to open up the camera itself. So the camera, to open up the camera, you've just got this button here, so you just push that forward, push that backwards, and it pops open like that, and then that will reveal this button here, and then you just will press that downwards and that will open up your film chute. Okay, so got just the Impossible Spectra film. This box was really damaged in shipping, so I hope the film works. Okay, there's the cartridge. Looks like it's in good shape. I think that should work fine. And so we're going to insert it with the dark slide facing up and your tab at the bottom. So just open that up like that. And insert until it goes all the way in. That won't go in anymore. And then you just will close the bottom cover. And that worked perfectly. There's our dark slide. And we should have, let's see, try and focus. It says 10. And obviously with Impossible you have 8, so we've got 8 shots in there and green lights on, ready to go. That's it. Just wanted to add as well, when I first got this camera I was trying to figure out how the hell do I close this lid, and because you know the 600 cameras, a lot of them you just will fold the top half down. This one you will just push back on this button here, and then you'll close it like that. Close it like that. And that actually comes in handy when you want to do double exposures. So you would take your normal shot but keep your finger on the shutter button and then close. As you have your finger on there, close the lid and then open it up again and take another shot, and it will have those 2 shots on the one frame. Keep it watching. See you later.